Racing just is started. We have Purple in the break quickly at the start. Rushing up now what he that is Virgin America. Tinder's goal is done on the inside. Best choice, time to change. Caster Capable comes next, while when is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Virgin America by about 2 lengths. And in second is Purple in the 6 lengths further back. In third comes time to change. Tinder's goal. Best choice Capable Caster, while when still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Virgin America by about 3/4 of a length lead. Purple in the remains in second. Time to change. Now trying to get closer in third. And in fourth comes Tinder's goal. Capable comes next. Best choice Caster, while when still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Virgin America by about 2 lengths. Purple in the time to change, still in third. And as they swing for home, Virgin America this time by about 3 lengths. Time to change in second. Purple in the Capable now in fourth. Last 100 meters, we have Virgin America, followed by time to change. Purple in the Capable, and finally the program opener belongs to Virgin America. Second, Purple in the time to change. Capable, best choice.
Inabot pa ulit niya. Tatay. Marating.